120 Most Common Internet and Mobile Communication Abbreviations and Acronyms by iFactner.com. AFAIK, as far as I know. AFK, away from keyboard. ASAP, as soon as possible. ASL Age, sex, location. ATM at the moment. A3, anytime, anywhere, anyplace. B/C, because. BBL, be back later. BBS, be back soon. BBQ Barbecue. BF, boyfriend. BFF, best friends forever. BFN, bye for now. BRB, be right back. BRT, be right there. BTW, by the way. B for N, bye for now. See you, see you. See ya, see you. Cause, because. DND, do not disturb. EOD, end of debate. EOF, end of file. FAQ, frequently asked questions. FB, Facebook. FTL, for the loss. FTW, for the win. FYI, for your information. Great, great. GTG, got to go. GTFO, get the fuck out. G9, genius. GBTW, get back to work. GF, girlfriend, good fight, great fight. GG, good game. GFU, good for you. Grats, congratulations. GM, good morning. GN, good night. Hand, have a nice day. H5, high five. HF, have fun. IC, I see. ICQ, I seek you. IDC, I don't care. IDK, I don't know. IG, Instagram. IIRC, if I remember correctly. ILU, I love you. IM, instant messenger. IMHO, in my humble opinion. IMO, in my opinion. IRL, in real life. J/K, just kidding. K, okay. Kiss, keep it simple, stupid. LDR, long distance relationship. LMAO, laughing my ass off. LMFAO, laughing my fucking ass off. LOL, laughing out loud. LTNS, long time no see. L8R later. M/F male or female. MSG message. MMS multimedia message service. M8 mate. N2S needless to say. NE1 anyone. NP no problem. OIC OIC. OP original post original poster. OS operating system. OMG oh my god. OT off topic. OTOH on the other hand. OTT over the top. PLZ PLS please. POV point of view. PPL people. ROFL rolling on floor laughing. RIP rest in peace. S2PID stupid. SD sweet dreams. SCC second. SEO search engine optimization. SK8 skate. SMH shaking my head. SO significant other. Someone SPOZ suppose. SRY sorry. SS so sorry. STR8 straight. STFU shut the fuck up. SU shut up. SYS see you soon. SIS sister. SYSR SLY seriously. SUP what's up. SYL see you later. TBH to be honest. THO though. THX thanks. TTYL talk to you later. TG that's great, that's good. TGIF thanks God it's Friday. TOS terms of service. TC take care. TLDR too long didn't read. TMI too much information. TTYL talk to you later. TY thank you. You are too good to be forgotten. U for E, yours for Eve. WB welcome back. WTF what the fuck. WTH what the hell. W8 YMMV your mileage may vary. Z sleeping. U V R two for you are too good. We are driving. For more interesting video tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and visit iFactNerd.com.